If you want to create this beautiful effect using Elementor and green sock, stick with me until the end of this video. Let's open Elementor using Container and Flexbox. 1. We're going to create a container. We set the container's width to full width. We're going to set the dark background hack for our work. Let's go into the layout section. We set the height to the H and enter a value of 100. Alright, let's go into the Advanced tab and set the padding to 0. Let's click on a main container section and create a new container. Let's set the container's width to full width. Also, set the height to 100 th. Let's create another container inside the second container and set the height and width to 4 sets of pixels. We set the width of the widget to full width and also set the width to 4 sets of pixels. We're going to add a heading inside it. We can import any map we want here. I also added it as an example. We apply color to our image as our image. You can apply any font you have in mind to your text. Alright, as an example, let's choose a font for the text. Alright, we duplicate the title we created and enter whatever duration we want into the title. The durations that are entered here are just defaults and are for example purposes. You can enter whatever you like. So, we'll present the writer's style in real time in the video to ask for a style we're interested in. Okay. From the Widgets section, we carefully select the image widget, ensuring it meets our specific requirements. Okay, we have successfully selected the widget we wanted, which perfectly aligns with our design goals. Then, we proceed to the Style section, where we can customize the appearance and layout to suit our preferences and achieve the desired visual effect. Okay, we set the height of the X, and from the Object Fit menu, we'll select the user's net. And similarly, we'll set the object position to center, so that the X can be seen better. So, we'll apply these settings, so that the X maintains its beauty at all stages. Alright. Just to be clear, we carefully clicked on the container with the image and absolutely adjusted the gap section to 0, ensuring everything is perfect. We also clicked on the second title and set the padding for the button section to 20 pixels and the top padding to 5 pixels. We aligned it to the center as well, ensuring that the layout was visually consistent with the overall design aesthetic. which is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance. So, we establish exactly the position of this element to absolute and also set precisely the vertical orientation to match perfectly with the value of its attribute, which is equal to what we want in ideally, at 50%. This is your idea of what you believe confidently that container should be. We change the position of the container and click on the second container. From the Additional Options section, set the Awful option to Hidden and click on our photo container. We duplicate our photo from the container and change our photo again and choose another photo. Well, let's change the text in the pictures here to what we think. And select each container and heading and change the defaults manually. So this is your opinion. If you are in the middle, if you are designing a template using Elementor and PortPress and you are working with the Elementor page builder, keep these two in mind. You can create very attractive kit templates using animations. These little animations that can be created using GSAP or GSAP and put them up for sale. So, we have created all the existing containers in our image. We click on the original container and on the parent container, which contains all our containers. From the Admin Sets section in the CSS Classes section, we type the class we want. You will see this class on your page. These classes are really important and you need to enter them exactly as you see in the image. If you enter them incorrectly, your effects won't work properly. Alright, let's click on my second container. Then from the Advanced section, we select the CSS Classes option and type in our desired class. Pay close attention to these containers so you don't select the wrong one. Okay, we select the Add Elements option and bring the HTML widget onto the page. Okay, we'll move the HTML widget that was created to the page, right, above the container section. And we put this widget in the highest position or put it higher than a layer so that it doesn't cause problems and ultimately achieve an effect that the effect you're thinking of gives a really unique beauty to your work. You can use this effect for your product galleries, your portfolios, or anything else you have in mind, making your website look much more beautiful. Plus, you can also use this effect to generate income. You can create a sample effect on a page and use that for easy access. Then place it on e-commerce sites for resale. This way, you can maximize your reach and make your work stand out even more. And create this effect as a sample effect on a page and use it to activate the jump. And circle for ease of use and place it on shopping and resale sites. The size of the resets in the carpet shop for the carpet. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of this video. If you enjoyed this type of content, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave your questions in the comments. I'll respond to all questions and address them all. Take care.